right. Line 2, LRT, Ottawa Airport. Here I am. Gonna start my way here and then go all the way down to Bayview. Obviously, I can't drone here, but I'm gonna try and get as many shots as I can. Here we go. Airport Station, LRT. I'm gonna send an email to the city, see if I can't try and get some special access to these LRT stations before they get open. We'll see, but this is pretty cool. Airport light rail station. They're really working on it. Oh, you can kind of tell from this vantage point what it's gonna look like. It's almost done up here. I imagine line 2 is way ahead of schedule. Alright, quick pit stop. We are at Uplands at the EY Center. This is direction airport. And then we got this station almost ready, getting there at least. Oops, on my bike, apologies. Yeah, a lot of progress done this way anyways. It's a little confusing. I'd love to get in there and show you guys more, but we're at a standstill for that. Can't drone here, it's too close. I've asked for permission, we'll see what they say. It's a restricted area anyways to fly.